my friends! Today we're going to go through our alphabet book. Some of you have these at home. If you have these at home, you should be doing this at least 2 or 3 times a week, okay? All right, my alphabet book. So, when you are at home, you can do this a little differently than what we do at school. Usually we just point to things, but I want you to start tracing as you say it, okay? A, apple. Or you can go, what we usually do is we go the picture first, don't we? So let's do that. A, apple, B, bear, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. Remember, it's a short sound. It's not duh. It's D. E, elephant, eh. Remember that you kind of smile when you say the sound eh. F, fish, G, grapes, G. Remember, it's not G, it's G. It's a very short sound. H, heart, I, igloo, I. J, jellyfish, J. K, kite, K. L, lion, ol. M, mitten, N, nose, O, octopus, ah. P, pig, p. Q, queen, qu. R, rainbow, It's not r, it's S, star, s. T, tie, t. It's not t, it's t. U, umbrella, V, volcano, v. W, wagon, w. X, like in box, x. Y, yarn, y. Z, zebra, z. All right, my friends, you can always pause the video and go back and do them again. And now you can watch this anytime. One of the most important things you'll learn from me this year is letters and letter sounds. All right, I hope you all have a happy Thanksgiving. I love you.